Hey, hope you're having a great day so far and welcome back. Today's March 7th, Sunday, and on this post I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets very quickly, which includes Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action, and see how it could potentially affect the overall altcoin markets before diving into Algorand, ALGOUSD, and see what exactly has gone on in this market. I'll be telling you about the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are enjoying this content, please subscribe to this channel and like this video, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 2 free stocks as of today upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit of $100, and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it's extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I'll try my best to get to as many of them as possible. Now, see what exactly is going on in this market first. Most importantly, I do take a look into Bitcoin dominance. Tells me where the money could be trending into. Would it be Bitcoin, altcoins, or neither? For Bitcoin dominance today, we are up about 0.3%. This breaks down to Bitcoin price action up over 2%, while total altcoin market cap up over 1%. Now, this is the upside of Bitcoin dominance trending upwards. I will usually see total altcoin market cap trailing in gains behind Bitcoin price action. I usually emphasize Bitcoin dominance to trend downwards, generally speaking, better for the altcoin price action on both the upside and downside. Because on the upside of Bitcoin dominance trending downwards, I will usually see total altcoin market cap leading in gains ahead of Bitcoin price action. On the daily time frame, here is still my focus for Bitcoin dominance, because as I've been saying, there is a development of a bullish pattern here, an inverse head and shoulders pattern. If this pattern actually plays out, not as ideal for the altcoin price action. Let's go over to Bitcoin and see what exactly has gone on. As I've been saying, for Bitcoin, there is still a mixture of bullish and bearish signals here. Bullish signal includes price action here has broken above this falling wedge pattern. Measure target was about 59K. Key resistance here is still the daily 21 MA, the blue line right here, which we have not been able to close back on top on, okay? Bearish signals include possible bearish divergence scenarios still could be playing out on the monthly and the weekly time frame, okay? Any pullbacks here for Bitcoin price action could still affect the overall altcoins price action. Magnitude of that effect would depend on how far up or down Bitcoin dominance is trending. Let's go over to Algorand, ALGOUSD, and see what exactly has gone on in here. I'm going to take a look from the monthly time frame down to the daily time frames, which I consider to be macro time frames, and look out for any red flags, such as overbought RSI readings or possible bearish divergence scenarios. On the monthly time frame here, we're at an RSI reading of about 70. It just entered into overbought, so I'm not too concerned with that. Weekly time frame here, we have pullback from an RSI reading of about 89 here. We're currently down back at about 66. If the price action here was to make a higher high on the weekly time frame, it does need to beat an RSI reading of 89 to negate possible bearish divergence. 3-day time frame here, except for the last RSI reading for the previous high was about 86. That is to beat if the price action was to make a higher high on the 3-day time frame here to negate possible bearish divergence. And similarly here on the daily time frame, fill in the blank. So let's take a look into what exactly has gone on in this market. So since my last post here, I did say there was a falling wedge pattern. Falling wedge patterns are generally bullish patterns. Measure target out of this pattern from this breakout point would be about $1.65. Measure targets are theoretical approximate targets only, may actually be different in real life price action, more or less. Now, key resistance here is the 12-hour 50 MA, even though we're right underneath the daily 21 MA. But I'm saying that the 12-hour 50 MA, which is the white line right here, currently about 122 is key resistance because that is the highest moving average that we have to get over now in order to be back above all moving averages as of this snapshot. Okay, that is correct. So that is the highest moving average right now that the price action does need to get over, close above on, and staying above on to actually get above all moving averages again as of this snapshot. So that is the key resistance. Key support here will be the daily 50 MA. If we start getting daily candle closes below this daily 50 MA, the white line right here, this tells me that the price action is going to put in a lower low that's lower than the previous low here at about the 97 cents. Okay, let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenarios here. Bullish case scenario, price action gets 12-hour candle closes above this 12-hour 50 MA. As of this snapshot, that is the highest moving average, staying closed above this 12-hour 50 MA and go towards its metric target. If the price action actually gets a close above this 12-hour 50 MA here, the next key resistance I'll be looking at would be about the $1.45 fit level area, which is right here, okay, before the measured target. Okay, now let's take a look into the bearish case scenario. Bearish case scenario here, if price action starts getting daily candle closes below this moving average right here, the 50 on the daily, this tells me that we're putting in a lower low than the last low here of 97 cents, and this downtrend could still continue, and this breakout could be reversing. Okay, now these are my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today. Let me know if you found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I'd love to hear them. Hope you manage your risk carefully, and if you'd like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. See you next time.